friends, welcome to our talk show WizBiz Talks, a unique initiative with a concept to support Rotarians to support Rotary. I'm your host for the day, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 for 2021. In this talk show, we invite guests who have been doing selfless work in the community and discuss with them about their professional, personal and Rotary life. Friends, there has been an overwhelming response to the show all over the Rotary circles. And we thank each one of you with folded hands for the support towards this Rotary initiative, WizBiz Talks. WizBiz Talks, friends, is an idea, a concept, and out-of-box thinking of District Governor 2021, Rotarian Sunil Mehra. This visionary Rotarian has given us many noteworthy projects which will help bring about a change in the community. In this show today, friends, I have the pleasure of welcoming one of my very close friends, a friend since so many years in Rotary, a friend who has been in Rotary since past 15 years, from Rotary Club of Bombay Hanging Garden, Rotarian Vikrant Shah. Friends, he's a wealth advisory by classification, a very helpful, ethical, enthusiastic, fun-loving person. Knowing about his qualities of transparency, ethics and values, in 2021, he has been handed over the responsibility of District Project Director for Club Service 2. Friends, here I have the pleasure to present in front of you a very close friend of mine, Rotarian Vikrant Shah.
Hi Manish. Hi everybody.
So Vikrant, we have known you in Rotary since a long time. We've met so many times. We've worked together. But in सब में एक personal touch नहीं है. We all would, not just me, we all would like to know something more about you on your personal front.
So Manish, on my personal front, well, I have been associated with Rotary for almost about 15-16 years now. And I'm in my business for almost about 30 years now. And what I generally always follow is that you need to be extremely transparent in your business dealings. That helps you in many ways. For example, I've been able to raise lots and lots of funds for my club projects over all my Rotary career till now in the club. So all that, it helps you in a lot of ways, and transparency also, it gives you very, very clear and objective way of looking at things and looking at the business, and it helps your clients also.
Vikrant, I 100% understand and accept that yes, Rotary teaches you many things which are helpful in business, and business teaches you so many things which can come into effect in Rotary also. And your transparency, your ethics and your values have been probably one of the reasons why you are one of the very big names in wealth advisory that I have known of. And to be known to be such a important person in this field, I'm sure you would have done a lot of hard work in this field over a period of time. Now, I would like to ask you, how would you, in Rotary, we say that you should use your vocation to help Rotary. How do you feel, apart from those fundraisers that you have done, how do you feel you would be able to help Rotary through your vocation and also associate with Rotarians through your vocation?
So my vocation has taught me, my vocation, as you know, is wealth advisory. So I've been dealing with money, money and money. It's all about investing and raising money. So raising money has been a very important aspect of my vocation, which has helped my club to raise money. Second is all the electronic initiative. Right from the day one, I have joined the club and all been taken right from those days of forming Yahoo group and the BBM groups and today WhatsApp group and Facebook and all that. Most of them have been my initiative. That is how even Ease In, which was apparently the first Ease In the entire district 3140 of that time. So all the initiatives is again because of my vocation. I know things, and that's how it has come to help my club, my Rotary. And vice versa, when people know you very closely, well, people know you how you deal with, whether it is fundraising, whether it is electronic media. When you talk to people, you interview people regarding know your Rotarian, that small column is there. So that helps people to know, and that is how they come with their problems initially to you. They are always stuck up with something or the other. Everybody has some problem or the other. And once you are able to tackle that successfully to his satisfaction, he gets a lot of confidence in you, and that's how it helps my business when I'm helping Rotary, a Rotarian. It helps me vice versa.
I'm sure many from your club, many from Rotary would be trusting their wealth with you because they are sure and comfortable that yes, Vikrant is always going to offer us the best. More than his personal motives, it will be our growth that will be important to him. And yes, that is known by your character and by your values. So I'm so happy that you've been doing so well and you're such a loved person in your club too. Now, Vikrant, you have been handed over a very important post in 2021, and that is Club Service 2. And you know, Club Service 2 means it deals with administration. And again, in this administration, many things associated to your nature are there, because of which we thought that you would be the ideal person to take care of. Second, you have now COVID times have come up, and you know there are challenges in organizing club meetings, and most of the meetings have gone on to Zoom meetings or other online meetings. So, how do you plan that you would be carrying out your responsibilities for 2021 at the district level to ensure that you make it extremely successful?
So, Manish, I have planned a couple of things. First of all, being the admin in nature, there is certain formats which has been developed for the reporting of the attendance. So all this would be communicated to our all the club presidents and secretaries through our team, who is also all of them are very enthusiastic. So that takes care of the admin part. The second part, which is the fun part, is the Rotary quiz. So Rotary quiz, as we have seen, you know, it's just a one-off activity which generally a club would take in one of the designated months or maybe once in a year or something. So we plan to take this quiz at a real big time level, make it a real district quiz, as I would love to have it, you know, to that level. If I succeed, and I'm sure I will succeed. So the objective of this quiz is that it's not only going to be competitive, it will be an open book challenge. It will be open to the number of Rotarians who can participate. It will be open to the number of clubs we can participate. So we are designing, in the process of designing a format where we want to see that, you know, 100% of the club participates, and at least, you know, 50, 60, 70% of the Rotarians do participate. So we are looking at huge numbers of participation, and probably turn out to be one of the great memorable events for all time to come, which you have not seen up till now.
Great. That is lovely thinking. And you know that the district also has been very kind to you and has given you one of the best advisors for your avenue. And
Absolutely.
one of the most learned persons. He is one of the most clear and transparent persons, Rotarian Virendra Vij. And I'm sure with his guidance, you are just going to reach the highest of levels, because it is very rare to find a person like Virendra Vij, a second Virendra Vij. He's so perfect in anything he does, and I'm sure he'll be a great support to you. Would you like to say 2 words about Virendra ji?
Oh, Virendra ji is absolutely fantastic. He is absolutely meticulous. He knows his subject in and out, and with his guidance and some of the technology, what I know, I think we are definitely going to create wonders for the Rotary quiz. And it is his the formation of that attendance what he has given me. I mean, it's just perfect. You cannot go wrong. No precedent can go wrong if he just fills up the things correctly. So it is gem of a person, always helping and always forthcoming.
I personally love him a lot. I'm a big fan of his, and that is the reason you have been given him, Virendra ji, as an advisor. I'm sure Virendra ji, you and your entire team will do everything possible to make your avenue successful and thus sow the seeds of a very successful vision year 2021. Vikrant, you are a good friend, and thank you so much for accepting my call for this interview. And it was a pleasure to have you with us, and hope to work with you very strongly for the year ahead.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure.
Thank you.